Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Have you ever opened Discord and thought, where do I actually find cool groups to join? Well, today I'm going to show you how to find groups on Discord that in just a couple of clicks. First, make sure you're using the desktop version of Discord, either on your laptop or PC. This feature isn't available on mobile, so you'll want to be on your computer. Once you're in the app, look at the menu on the left-hand side. This is where all your servers show up. You'll see your current servers, plus the option to add a new one or join with an invite link. But the easiest way to discover groups is by using the Explore Public Servers button. Click that, and now you're inside Discord's Discovery section. Here you'll find different categories, like gaming, entertainment, sports, education, and esports. You can also use the search bar to look up something specific. For example, type in football, and you'll instantly see all the public servers related to football. From there, it's just a matter of browsing around, checking out the communities, and joining the ones that match your interests. Whether you want to chat, study, create content, or just hang out, there's a group for you. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.